Bema. Bravai. Blah 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 blah. No, so tin number near it. Any day bad. I'm making way. Mr. Manu, for you push me, why the patch out? I'm not connect. We need tin number. You need minimal for any day. So I'm not connect. Why? Nabio, we need tin number. And it's really the minimal of action. I'm the background. We need tin number. We need say, Mr. Aye tax. As na baby, I know so winya. Certain number and 2 Nibia. Mr. Quadum, fine. I do. Honestly, why? Good, I also open GRA office. The tin number. Abla, na me ma unko ni sisi anya sa dia wonti men. Ha? Tin number. Toilet hotel tax tin number. Ai. Boss, ma me ko na Mr. Oh, wonni bia wonti men, ade wonni Ghana na. Na pesa am ko ba bifo si kama me. O kan ba bifo ba bia aboko bia obetua. Fa me si kama me ko ba tin number na unko. O ma me say. Hey, Unia. Ansu. Mr. Ansu. Oh. Mo na mo say Ghana. Ko no anya wa. Ko na mo bo Ghana ka no. Mo bo Ghana ka. Yes, baby, bia kuta tin number. We need tin number. Want me nya bibia. Aso to be ni kuta tin number.